Hi everyone and welcome back to Sprinkle with Paper. Today I'm going to be sharing how to make a fun and easy advent calendar for your kids, your husband, any of your loved ones, or your friends this year. The supplies needed to make your advent calendar are going to be these little brown bags. I found these at Hobby Lobby. They come in brown and white, and you can also get them on Amazon. You'll need some stickers, clothespins, glue stick, and then some glitter cardstock. I'm using this gold Recollections brand from Michaels. And then you're also going to need a bag of goodies. So you're going to need 24 advent gifts, and I will show you everything that I picked up for my kids. Now to get started, we're going to head on over to Cricut Design Space and we're going to open up a new project. Now this project is going to be really simple. All we're going to do is we're going to click on text, and then we're going to type out our numbers 1 through 24. Next, I'm going to change the font, so I'll just click on font, and I want to use a block letter, so I'm going to use Arial Black. I like using this font when I'm cutting out numbers on cardstock. It's nice and thick, so it doesn't tear very easily, it's not flimsy, and it makes it really easy to glue onto other materials. So now from here, I'm just going to change the height of all the numbers. So right now, this whole thing, all of these numbers are still attached. So if I go up here to the top, I'm just going to change the height to 2 inches, and that will change each number. It will change the height to 2 inches. And so now that I've done that, you're going to see over here on the right-hand side, we have a little error message. And so that's just telling me that since everything is still attached, that it's going to go off of the cutting mat. It's too large to cut. So to fix that, all we need to do is ungroup these numbers. And now we're ready to cut. And while the numbers are cutting out, we're going to get started on the brown bags. So I'm just keeping these very simple. I'm just using these little stickers that I found at Hobby Lobby just to add a little bit of flair to each of the bags.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
as you can see, I'm only making 23 Advent bags instead of 24. So the 24th day is going to be Christmas Eve. And instead of opening up a bag, I'm going to give my kids a Christmas Eve box. So that will be their 24th Advent gift. Included in their Christmas Eve box, I just put a pair of festive pajamas and slippers. And if you'd like to see how I customize the ribbon, I'll link the video right here. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's fill the Advent bags. So everything I picked up was either from Hobby Lobby or from Target. So Target is great. They always have a bunch of little tiny trinkets. But I was really happy with Hobby Lobby because all of their Christmas stuff was already 60% off. So it was great to pick up a bunch of little crafts or little Christmas items that I knew the kids would love. So this set of Advent gifts is going to be for my daughter, and the first thing I picked up for her was this little cotton candy ornament. Every year I get my kids their own ornament to put on the tree in their bedroom, and I thought this one was just too cute. Next, I just picked up a little thing of mini M&Ms. And then this is a little bumblebee craft I found at Hobby Lobby. I thought it was super cute, and my daughter loves little projects like this. So I thought it was cute. She could either put it on her bookshelf or she could even make it into an ornament. Next, we have these little Bob Ross bookmarkers. My daughter and I, we always just joke about like happy little trees like Bob Ross. So I thought that this was going to be perfect for her. And since it came in a set of 4, I figured I'd use it for 2 separate days and just break it up into a pair of 2. Next, we just have this cotton candy lollipop from Hobby Lobby. This little snowflake bracelet that I found for 60% off at Hobby Lobby. Mini sticky notes from Target. And then I found these little mini Nutella bottles at Target, and I thought my kids would get a real kick out of it. Next, we have candy cane confetti from Target, and I thought this would just be a fun little thing for my daughter to use when she's making Christmas cards for her friends. And then I also picked up stroopwafels, so I hope I'm saying that correctly, but my kids are obsessed with these. We had them one time on a plane, and ever since they just go crazy for them when we see them in the store. Here we just have some washi tape, again just for my daughter to use on Christmas cards. Now I'll just use the other 2 Bob Ross bookmarkers. Gingerbread cookies, stocking peeps, Santa Skittles, stained glass ornaments, Nerds rope, and another stained glass ornament, lastly, we have stickers, sloth felt art, some more mini M&Ms, bubblegum tape, and then another stroopwafel. And as I mentioned before, the 24th day is going to be the Christmas Eve box. I'm really happy with how this project turned out, and I think that my kids are going to love it more than just the traditional store-bought advent calendar. And when I added everything up, since I got most of it on sale at Hobby Lobby, it actually was less expensive than if I were to buy one of the advent calendars from Target. So I noticed that the Target prices have gone up since the previous years. I feel like I used to pay about $30 for an advent calendar, and this year they were anywhere between like $40 and $60. So I actually ended up saving money, and I think my kids are going to really like this. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and also let us know what you're putting in your advent gifts this year. I would love to get ideas for next year. Thank you again all so much for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.